Hello friends, and welcome back to my cravings. Today I am going to teach you how to make Puerto Rican style fried Chinese rice. This Chinese rice takes me back to my childhood. This is pretty much the standard for takeout in Puerto Rico. Of course, there are different variations, but I'm giving you the basic recipe. Alright, so to a very hot wok, we've added some onion. We're going to cook this onion down until it is nice and translucent. I've also added a piece of ginger that I previously peeled. It's about 1 inch. And its only purpose right now is just to infuse the oil that we're cooking. If you don't have fresh ginger, you can add some ginger powder, but I would probably add that later on when we add our rice so that that ginger flavor can adhere to your rice granules. All right, we've removed the ginger and now we're adding 3 eggs. And what you want to do is you want to scramble them, make sure they don't burn so they retain that beautiful yellow color. All right guys, from here is going to go rather quickly. We're going to add our cubed ham. Now this ham I found already like this, but it was in water, so not in honey or any other funky flavors. I found that salad shrimp are the best for this application. They're already cooked and they are the perfect size. So you get a little bit of shrimp just about in every bite. All right, we've added now 3 cups of rice that I previously cooked in water with just a little bit of oil so that it won't stick and a little bit of salt. All right, start mixing everything around. Let that rice get that delicious flavor. And now we're adding soy sauce. Now this is what's going to make our rice nice and brown. You can add as much or as little as you want. I wouldn't recommend using low sodium soy sauce because you want that full flavor. But if you're worried about the salt intake, just add a little bit less. All right guys, we've added a little bit of black pepper. And now we're adding some green onion, tops and bottoms. The tops, of course, are going to give this rice a beautiful color, but the bottoms are going to add crunch. This rice is just about done, and now we have to put the finishing touch, which is shredded lettuce. I know this is a bit unconventional for the type of rice that we have here in the States, but this is, again, how I remember eating it. And believe it or not, this lettuce actually does infuse this rice with je ne sais quoi. It gives it a little something, guys. Your rice is now done and it's ready for serving, guys. That simple, but it is so delicious. You can always serve it with a little side of extra soy sauce if you want, but I serve mine with my teriyaki ribs, which are already up on my YouTube channel. Guys, I hope you try this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll see you all in the next video.